This setup is a washing and dewatering system, suitable for sludge-type material. Its function is washing materials with a log washer, and then dewatering materials through the dewatering screen. Over-screen materials are sent to stockpile by belt conveyor. Screened finer-size sludgy materials are sent to plate filter machine by slurry pump for further filtering so that the finer-size materials can be dewatered. This full setup includes a screw feeder, log washer machine, dewatering screen, plate filter machine, belt conveyor, and slurry pump. Below is the detailed explanation for this processing flowchart. One screw feeder evenly feeds sludge materials to the log washer. The material is sludge type. Other feeders like chute feeders and vibrating feeders all don't work for this kind of material. Only screw feeders are the best choice for feeding sludgy materials. A log washer machine can effectively wash off sludge from materials. The central shaft of the log washer is filled with screw plates. When the material is in contact with the screw plates can effectively scrape the mud off the material under the action of the rotation of the central shaft and the water flow, to achieve a good effect of cleaning the material. A dewatering screen can remove much water from materials to achieve a good dewatering effect. The washed materials by the log washer go to a dewatering screen for dehydration. The screen mesh size is 100 mesh. Bigger than 100 mesh materials will come from over the screen, and then through a belt conveyor sent to the stockpile. 4 plate filter machines can further remove much water from finer materials. Below 100 mesh finer materials from the dewatering screen will go to a collection tank or slurry pond, and then a slurry pump will send to a plate filter machine for further filtering, to achieve a good dewatering effect for finer materials. The processing capacity for this system can be customized according to the customer's requirement, like 50 TPH, 100 TPH, etc. This setup is very suitable for sludgy materials and has an excellent washing effect and dewatering effect on the materials.